Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where security or firewall settings might be blocking the connection in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable the Windows Defender firewall. Search for Windows Defender firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender firewall. Now go to turn Windows Defender firewall on or off and switch it off. Click on OK to save the settings and do the job that you are doing. Then return to it and turn it on. Why turn it on again? Because it is a very crucial application for the system security. The next one is to actually uninstall all the third party security software applications. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps section on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. And then scroll down and click on the three dots associated with Copilot. Uninstall and uninstall once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.